So I'm driving my Volkswagen down the Long Island Expressway and on my way to get tenure and thinking about that. And the thought of getting tenure is like, that means I'm going to be in the same office, teaching the same classes, I remember I was on a show with Beverly Sills, the great opera singer, who had her own TV show in those, back then. She had a little bracelet and with crystals, little things on it, and the letters IDTA were on it. And she was interviewing me, and I finally, I couldn't, on the air, I asked her, IDTA, why are you wearing IDTA? I see that. She said, oh, that's just a reminder, because they were asking her, why did you leave at the height of your career, the New York Metropolitan Opera, to be, do a TV show and to be an administrator to do something else? And she said, oh, I did that already. IDTA, I already did that. And something pulled me over. Now, this same something is working in all of us. It's called your impersonal life, not your personal life, not your personality. Your personality doesn't even get to pick thoughts. You don't even know what a thought is, how to get a hold of one. You can't see one, let alone a desire. These are things that are put there by the same intelligence that brought you here, and grows your fingernails. And I pulled over and I sat there, and whatever that was, it just overwhelmed me. And I said, I can't accept that tenure. I can't do this for the rest of my life. I've already been here 6 years. I've done this already. And yet, and it's what I talked about with Tracy and her, and Urban Junket and her purses and all of the things that she is doing, to do something about this planet that we live on and so on. And it was like a cloud almost. It was overwhelming, and I just knew. I didn't call my wife, I didn't call my daughter, I didn't do anything. I drove right up to the university, parked my car outside, and I had my own parking place in New York. Can you imagine? I walked up to the second floor to Dean Sarah Fassenmeyer's. Amazing. This gives me memory again. It's like I can remember every detail of my life. It's like, and I walked into Dr. Fassenmeyer's office and I resigned. I had written a book called Your Erroneous Zones, and I wanted to take it across the country and do the things. And Donna worked with me every day so beautifully. Love you so much. Thank you. And invested my own money and my own time, and took my daughter, and we went across the country. And one of the great definitions of success was offered by Henry David Thoreau. He said, if you advance confidently in the direction of your own dreams and endeavor to live the life which you have imagined, you will meet with a success unexpected in common hours. You have to let it chase you, that thing called success. Maslow taught me personally that self-actualizing people do not do what they do because of the outcome. They are detached from outcome. They do what they do because in their heart tells them, this is who I am. This is what I must express, and I'm independent of the good opinion of anyone else who offers their opinion to me. So, and that was a signature point in my life. Gave up tenure, a job for the rest of my life, gave up all of the guarantees, got the medical insurance, all of the things that come with but in here. And if you read I Can See Clearly Now, you're reading about someone that Thoreau said, got notes all over the place, I was writing all kinds of things down, still haven't gotten to any of it yet. I want to live deep, said Thoreau. I want to live deep and suck out all the marrow of life, and not when I come to die and discover that I have not lived at all. That's a theme for me. It's a theme in here, and it's like coming to a place where you can trust in that, where you can get outside of your personality.